Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Wakanda Teacher, also in food, education, and home decor DIYs. Today, stick around if you want to know how I got this marble looking surface on my console table that I got from Ross. It was extremely cheap, probably $39, and it was white, plain white. So stick around to see how I achieved this beautiful marble looking top that goes so well with the gold and marble decor in my home. As you can see, I have the marble countertops pretty much everywhere, so I wanted everything to be like marble. So stick around to see how I achieve this look. So my table has seen better days. I had done a lot of spray painting. So as you can see, the white table was messed up. I did like a vase and the gold pretty much stayed on there. Got some contact paper from Walmart, paid $9 at $10. I know it was 99 cents for the roll. So what I did was I just put the paper on it's contact paper. Use a razor blade, or I just use one side of my knife and I just creased it out to make sure it's even. And that's pretty much it, you guys. It's super simple to do this, and you have like a brand new console table. And I got this table for $39 from Ross. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, and come back for more and share my video. Thank you. Bye bye.